Future. Welcome to the AFL-CIO and Progressive Media Take Back Our Jobs Town Hall Conference at union halls in all major USA cities. Normally, the radical super-rich owned right-wing media decides what news stories the American people will listen to. That is, the economic dictators use their media to control news stories and brainwash the American people to vote the way they want them to vote. But today, neither economic dictators nor their puppet politicians in Washington will decide the news story of the day. The working class people of America will focus on the issues that they care about. The American people demand, we want our offshore factory jobs back. We want 20 million lost jobs back. We want unemployment eliminated. The number one news story in America from now until Election Day will be American voters will take back their jobs. Progressive Democrats heard the people and promised to create 5 million jobs a year for the next 6 years to eliminate unemployment in America. Some say that we cannot create 5 million jobs a year for 6 years, but the American people say, yes, we can. It is not a matter of whether we are able to create millions of jobs or not. The question is, do we have the political will to eliminate unemployment in America? To eliminate unemployment in America, progressive Democrats promise to do the following. 1. Take the advice of progressive talk radio host Norman Goldman and eliminate the filibuster so job creation bills can pass. 2. Ban all factory imports produced by workers making less than $5 an hour. 3. Tax all factory imports produced by workers making less than $15 an hour, with the rate being 10% times the hour rate difference. 4. Use the import tax money to pay people to buy made in USA factory products. 3. Raise taxes on the super-rich to pay for rapid conversion to renewable energy and the creation of green factory jobs. 6. Pass an economic democracy amendment to make the people the owners and rulers of all major national economic decisions. The progressive Democrats in the House and Senate have signed a contract with America to create 5 million jobs a year. But to create 5 million jobs a year, progressive Democrats need a landslide victory in the 2010 election. To achieve that, union workers and progressive media and progressive Democrats will do the following. A DVD class will be distributed to all union members and progressive Democrats. Each of them will then make 50 to 500 copies to allow American voters to have Give Us Back Our Jobs home parties in millions of homes. It will remind Americans that voting Republican is voting for the free trade offshoring of millions of American jobs to communist China. It will educate Southern white voters that the offshoring of American jobs will force American workers to compete with $1 an hour slave wages in communist China. That is, the Republican Party wants Southern white workers to be forced to become white slave labor. Southern white voters will fight back against the Republican Party war against Southern white workers. The DVD class will educate Christian workers that Jesus Christ taught socialist values. Jesus told the rich man to distribute his wealth to the poor, Luke 18:22. When Jesus was asked if people should pay taxes, Jesus said, Render therefore unto Caesar the things which are Caesar's, Matthew 22:21. That is, the rich should pay taxes and provide for the poor, socialist values taught by Jesus Christ. Rejecting socialism is rejecting Jesus Christ. Read the Holy Bible for yourself. Jesus Christ said that he will send people to hell who show lack of compassion for the poor. Matthew 25:31 through 46. When Republicans vote to deny extended unemployment benefits to the poor, they voted to deny unemployment benefits to Jesus Christ. Voting for Republicans who oppose unemployment, Social Security, and other programs to help the poor is rejection of the teachings of Jesus Christ and is showing lack of compassion for the poor. True Christians vote for progressive Democrats. Republican free trade offshoring of American jobs is an anti-American communist treason. It finances the communist economic war against America. Those who love communism and communist China will vote Republican. Real Americans who love America will take back their jobs by kicking out of office all politicians who support communist free trade and elect politicians who will ban and highly tax communist low-wage imports. If you have voted Republican in the past, then I ask you to vote Progressive Democrat in this one election to give Americans their jobs back. If you are a Christian, then I ask you to vote for the socialist values taught by Jesus Christ. If you are a Southern white voter, then I ask you to vote for better paying jobs for Southern white workers. I hear a give us back our jobs home party now. Yes, we can take back our jobs, end communist treason, free trade, ban low-wage communist imports now, tax all low-wage factory imports, give us back our offshore jobs now. Thomas Jefferson said, "We the people have the right to alter or abolish our economic government. We the people are the rightful owners and rulers of the economic system of the United States of America. We will take back our jobs by giving progressive Democrats a landslide victory. Yes, we can take back our jobs." I ask everyone to make copies of this DVD class for your friends and family and ask them to host Give Us Back Our Jobs parties in their homes. Yes, we can take back our jobs. Yes, we will take back our jobs. Thank you.